Welcome back to my channel. A big thank you to everybody who viewed my previous videos. I do hope you enjoyed them and will be taking this journey with me. I'd like to remind you I'm not a health or a beauty practitioner, and all my practices and products are research from the internet. I do advise you to do your own research and select the practices and products suitable for you. Today we're going to focus on leg hair. I'm going to compare sugar wax to ordinary shaving. Time is very important to us, and not everybody has sufficient time to undertake a vigorous beauty regime. I have timed both practices. This is leg A. We're going to sugar wax this one, and we're going to time it because beauty takes time, and that's something that not all of us have. So here we go. Ow, 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 ow. After the sugar wax, I place the strips of cotton in a bowl of red hot boiling water to dissolve the sugar. I will now wash them and store them again, ready for the next use. This is leg B. We're going to time it. There we are. Obviously on this leg, the sugar wax leg, the roots came out with the hair. Probably lasts a little longer, whereas this leg B, will have to be done every other day, I assume. But I'm equally pleased with the results. Yes. I do hope you've enjoyed this recording. If you do, please press the like button. I do hope that you will join me on the journey by subscribing and pressing the bell. I welcome any comments you have or any suggestions for future recordings. I'll see you in the next video.